Good morning, welcome back. We were discussing the necessary legal formalities. It is telling that if it is to be a proper contract which can be enforceable by law, then it should be in writing or registered or attested. Okay, like that. You should understand. So A promises to pay a time barred debt must be in writing, means when you have given some person a debt means nothing but a loan. Okay, so when you have given a loan to some other persons and you have not received, and the same contract is taken to the law, then that law, when that court will tell whether it is a writing, then only it will take further action. Okay, then it will take further action. So essential conditions, one of the essential condition is you should maintain what? Legal formality. It should maintain legal formality. Here you can have one small, this one, agreement is a wider term. Okay, it's a big term. Contract fits here, contracts fits here like this. These are all agreements, this is only contracts, these are only contracts, like that. Whereas all contracts are agreement. Okay, but all agreements are not contracts. All agreements are not contract, but all contracts are agreements. Simple. Okay, so we have some classification. No? Agreements not enforceable by law, agreements enforceable by law. So here only we can understand. These are not enforceable by law. These are also agreements. These are enforceable by law. Okay. So here not enforceable by law means what? Some that one of the 9 points is missing here. That essentials are there. No, one of the 9 point is missing. Like legal formality is not there, or free consent is not there. Okay, so like that. Capacity is not there. If all the essentials are there, then we call it as a enforceable by law. Call it as a enforceable by law. Conclusion. What is this conclusion? Contracts are nothing but agreements plus enforceability by law. Agreements plus enforceability by law. That is why here written. Only those agreements are contracts which are enforceable by law. Which are enforceable by law. Okay. So agreements may be or may not be. May be or may not be enforceable by law. Okay. So that is what it is written here. All agreements are all contracts are agreements, but all agreements are not contracts. Simple Venn diagram, no? Very simple. Inside contracts, these are all agreements. Okay. Now, from the exam point of view, this is one very important section. You may be asked, differentiate between agreement and contract. Differentiate between agreement and contract. Okay, on what basis you are differentiating? First point is a section under Indian Contract Act. So in Indian Contract Act, section 2H tells about contract, 2E tells about agreement. 2E tells about agreement. Definition. Okay, easy to understand. Okay, a contract is an agreement which is enforceable by law. That is called contract. Here, what is agreement? Definition. We are discussing the definition. Promise or promises. Okay, which have some consideration. Promise or promises which have consideration are called as agreements. Are called as agreement. Here, enforceable by law, contract. Which have consideration also, they are agreement. Now here enforceability parameter, it is enforceable, it is all are not enforceable. You should not tell every promise is not enforceable. Some are okay, some are not enforceable. Interrelationship, a contract includes agreement. Okay, here an agreement does not include contract. A diagram, simple diagram. Okay, contract includes agreement in its form, but agreements does not include a contract in its form. Okay, scope. Here the scope of contract is limited. as it is including only commercial agreement, as it includes only commercial agreement. Here scope is wide, agreements scope is wide, as it includes both social as well as commercial agreements. Okay, social as well as commercial agreement. Validity. Next point is validity. What is this validity? Legal agreements are contracts. An agreement may be legal or illegal. That is also possible. Agreement between two persons, legal or illegal. Last point. What is this last point? Legal obligation. Every contract contains a legal obligation. Every contract contains a legal obligation. Here it is not necessary. May be present that legal obligation, may not be present that legal obligation. That is, it is written here. It is not necessary for an agreement to have a legal obligation or not a legal obligation. Okay. So this is the all about distinction between contract and agreement. I hope it is clear. Okay. So after watching this one, if any feedback is there, you can directly call me and tell, no problem. Okay. So compulsory you should watch the videos. Okay. So that will be very so that you can proceed to the next class. So till now, we have completed this portion. Agreement, contract, essential conditions of valid contract. Okay. So terminologies of contract, distinction between agreement and contract. Okay. Distinction between agreement and contract. In the next videos, we will see this type of contracts and Indian Contract Act. We will see this one, type of contract and Indian Contract Act. Okay. Thank you very much.